Lucy. Oh my goodness, Lucy. Hi. You're so good. Good girl. Yes, you are. Hi, everyone. Thanks for visiting us here at Heavenly Havanese, and we are checking out Basil and Winnie's 2 litters. This is Basil's little chocolate Irish pied boy with blue eyes. Oh, you are so pretty. Good boy. Good boy. And this right here, this is Winnie's chocolate sable boy, and he has green eyes. Oh my gosh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. You guys gotta go play. Lucy, what are you doing? You chewing on that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, Reese. This is Reese, and Reese is chocolate and tan with, oh, here you go, with, oh, chocolate and white with tan points. Hi, Reese. Good girl. This is Jagger. Jagger is a charcoal sable Irish pied. You're so cute, Jagger. Yes, you are. These guys are so quiet. You guys are so quiet exploring. Good job. Yes, good job. Good job, Lucy. Yes, very good. So we wanted to do a video. These guys are 9 weeks old. Winnie's litter is 9 weeks old. Reese, good girl. And Basil's litter is 8 weeks old, and they are actually going to go home tomorrow. So we're excited for their families to meet them tomorrow. Good job, Reese. Yes, very good. This little guy's so cute. You're so cute. So we can watch them play for a few minutes here. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Oh my. You're cute, Lou. You're cute. Hey, buddy. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. You're so good. What'd you find? Yay! Very good. Good job, guys. Good job. Jagger, what you doing? Hi, buddy. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Hi, buddy. Hi. Good job, Jagger. There goes Lucy, full speed, straight ahead. Reese, oh my goodness, Reese. Go for it, girl. You got this. Good job. Jagger, what'd you find? You guys are good. Good boys and girls. Yes, you are. Woo, that was a good one. Good job, Jagger. Good job. Good job. All right. Yes. All right, guys. Well, we are going to call it a day. And we're excited for these little guys to go home tomorrow and meet their families. They have a big day ahead of them. So thanks so much, everyone, for visiting. We hope everyone has a wonderful week coming up. You guys are so good. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.